Good day everyone. This is our first activity in IS Elect 4 Data Mining. Introduction to Data and Excel Basics. Goal: understand data structures and master basic Excel navigation, summarization, and formatting. Concept: data analytics is about finding patterns in raw data to answer questions. Before we can find patterns, we need to know how to look at the data. So, nanatay gihimo diri nga dataset ang order ID, product, category, date, quantity, and unit price. So, proceed ta sa Excel exercises. So, first exercises is basic calculations. Create a new column called total sales. So, there is a total sales. Ang formula na gamiton nato is E2 equals E2 times F2. Enter. Then, drag it down para ma-appeal o total tanan. Enter. Yan. So, muna siya ang sa number 1. The next is summarization. At the bottom of your data, calculate the core metrics. First is ang total items sold. So, diri atas sa quantity. Equals average equals sum E2 close parenthesis E2 column T21 kay until 21 man ta. Enter. So, muna siya ang total items sold 45. Then, sa average order, balik ta sa total sales. Then, ang ato ang formula diri is equals average close parenthesis equals average close parenthesis G2 column G21. Then enter. Wait lang. So, nara siya. 804. So, there na punta sa number of orders. Dito sa order ID. Equals count 8 close parenthesis A2 column A21. So, naara ang total niya 20. The next is sorting and filtering. Highlight your headers, go to data. So, dito sa kana. Then, sa data, i-highlight na nimo siya din data. Then, there's a filter. Then, click filter. So, makita na nimo dira ang mga column na ay arrow. Arrow down. So, first nato diri i-filter is laptops only. So, dito sa category. Then, i-uncheck nimo ng select all. Then, i-click nimo ang laptop. Then, apply. So, naara. Laptops na lang siya tanan. Then, diri po sa next is sort the total sales column from largest to smallest to find your biggest orders. So, dito sa total sales. Then, click sort largest to smallest. Wait. So, naara siya. Nakuha na siya gikan sa largest to smallest. Okay, next, let's proceed to exercise number 4, conditional formatting. Visualizing data. Goal. Learn how to quickly spot trends and outliers without reading every numbers. Exercise. Highlight the total sales column. Then go to home. Then select conditional formatting. This one. Then highlight sales rules. Then greater than. Then set it to highlight any sale over 100. Green fill. And dark green text. Then click done. So that is our exercise number 4. Next is basic charting. Telling a story. Goal. Turn raw numbers into a visual summary. Exercise. Highlight the product column. Yes. Then hold the Control K and highlight the total sales column. Then go to Insert. Then Recommended Charts. And select a clustered column bar. Then sa total sales, i-change na nimo siya sa total sales by product. Dungago na nimo siya by product. So, click OK. So, na-change na siya. So, muna na siya ang exercise number 1. Number 5. So, that's it, our activity 1. So, muna na siya. Thank you.